Hi guys, this is Rajesh from eazysale. Today I will discuss the Indian Geography and its latest edition by Majid Hussain. Apart from the NCRTs, you must go for Indian Geography by Majid Hussain. If you're preparing geography in the Indian context, then this book by Majid Hussain is one of the most popular choice that you can trust. The topic has been explained systematically in this book, including updated information on irrigation, crops, transportation, food pattern, disasters, and more. The book even includes the latest updates and government policies which are related to the Indian geography, along with the impact to help students to understand the sequence and flow of events. This book is one of the best-selling title of the subject area. The Geography of India by Majid Hussain has completed its decade. This book is one of the best book for theoretical concepts in geography. This book has comprehensively chapter-wise revised edition with updated data on statistics, facts, diagrams, maps, and relevant content, especially on Indian political aspects and contemporary issues. This book is well organized, systematic alignment of chapters as well as table of content as per the examination point of view. This book is quite easy to understand. This book has simple language. This book contains tables, bullets, and various infographics wherever they are required.